Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2017 Ford Escape. This vehicle is featured in gray metallic paint with alloy rims. We have our rear privacy tint, liftgate, all-wheel drive, panoramic sunroof, heated seats, backup camera, and phone connectivity. Now onto the interior of the Escape. On our door panel we can see we have our chrome door handle, window and mirror controls, as well as our speaker and storage underneath. Side of the seat we do have power adjustable seats and lumbar support. Left of the steering wheel we have our lighting controls, our gauge cluster with screen, multi-function steering wheel, and then our CD player. Below that we have our infotainment screen with backup camera. Under that we have our radio controls, dual zone climate controls, heated seat options, and charging outlets. Our gear selection stock, 2 cup holders, and electric park brake. And then our padded leather center console lid. Front seats are featured in black fabric with our textured pattern in the lower portion of the seat. And above the rear view mirror, we have our sunglass holder, as well as our controls for our panoramic sunroof and moonroof overhead. And now back onto the exterior, we can see our alloy rims with Ford badge center caps, paint match mirror caps and door handles, and rear privacy tint. Now moving around to the back of the vehicle, we can see our Escape badging, as well as Ford and SE badging, dual exhaust underneath. Then we have our liftgate, inside of which we have plenty of storage room, as well as the option to fold down the rear 60/40. And now onto the rear interior, we can see we have our chrome door handle, speaker tweeter, window switch, speaker, and storage. Back of the front seats we have our magazine holders. And back of the center console area we have our rear charging outlets. Then our back seats are a 60/40 split with fold down center seat featuring 2 cup holders inside. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of our 2017 Ford Escape. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.